let's talk about some of the psychology behind advertising your services or product, shall we? I'm Scott Sery. I'm the founder of Know to Grow, and it's where I show you how you can go from having no idea how to make money on your own to growing that idea and ultimately live life however you want to live it. So when it comes to purchasing, we purchase anything for one of two reasons. We either want to increase our pleasure or we want to decrease our pain. And obviously some of those can be both. Eating, for example. I buy a delicious meal at a restaurant and I decrease the pain of being hungry while I increase the pleasure because it's hopefully good food. When you're out there, if you pay attention to ads, however, businesses focus on costs far more than we realize, but they don't specifically call them costs. It's all about how you phrase things, and it's phrased in a way that you can either earn a buck or not lose a buck. So here's a few examples. Let's take insurance. Quit overpaying for your car insurance. Did you know that the average policyholder spends $1,000 a year on their car insurance? Well, here at Totally Legit and Not a Scam Insurance Company, our policyholders spend $600 per year for the exact same coverage. Are you sick of losing 400 big ones a year? Call us today. Or maybe something like this. Joe's Federal Savings Bank offers up to 2% interest on your savings. That's like a bunch of times higher than the national average. And when you set up an account with us, you not only earn that higher interest rate, but we also give you a gift of a really cheap cooler with our name and logo plastered on the side of it. It's a win-win. Whenever a store advertises that they're having a 50% off sale, you're saving a buck buying things that you don't really need anyway. Now, if you start to pay attention, you will start to see these things over and over. And if you actually tally up the instances and what their message is, you'll notice something. People are far more intrigued with the idea of not losing a buck than they are in earning a buck. In fact, people will go to much greater lengths to not lose money than they will to earn money, even if they're earning more than they could potentially lose. And this is precisely why there are so many websites out there dedicated to being frugal instead of dedicated to earning more money. On these sites, you are encouraged to cut the luxuries from your life. You could save $500 a year by not buying those lattes that you absolutely love. What I say is just buy that latte that you love and then go ahead and earn $5,000 extra this year. I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Then you can splurge on those things that enhance your life because you've made a whole lot more money to do just that. That's what living the life of your dreams is all about. So let's get started. All you have to do is go to www.knowtogrow.com. There you can sign up and learn exactly how to tap into the skills and passions that you already have and start making money with them. I will guide you along the entire way. By the way, if you're getting value from these tips and tricks, if you could just like and subscribe and maybe just a little comment, big comment, short comment, just some exclamation points even, I would appreciate it, and that would help me continue providing this value to you.